Let's take a closer look at this Waterdrop filter. This is the WD-F2 filter, one of 3 filters that goes into my X12 RO or reverse osmosis system placed underneath my sink. Let's take a closer look at the actual filter itself, and you can see how well it is packaged. Protective caps over the O-rings, which are critical for function. This is sealed in plastic to keep air, moisture, and debris out. It comes with these foam inserts that go on the ends to protect it during shipping, and you can see that it's well labeled both on the part and on the box, and it has on the box so that you can easily find it in your cabinet how often it has to be replaced. This one has to be replaced every 6 months. Your system will notify you when it's ready to replace. You have several weeks to do it. I keep these things in storage so that I can react to this in case I'm out of town or wherever I'm at, because you do have a time limit to do it. Now, just to have a better understanding of how the filters are used, I am showing you a short video from the actual Waterdrop system I have, my X12, and you can see I've removed the cover, and you can see all 3 filters, the F1, F2, and F3, all different sizes, very easy to turn. They're quarter turn devices that go in when needed, and you will see the indicators go off, and please follow the instructions because you will have to allow the system to purge when you change the filter. I highly recommend the WD-F2 filter for my Waterdrop and your Waterdrop RO system.